Here I have CoolPAD Porto, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. So when your device is powered off, let's use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. You have to hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. So keep holding both keys, power key and volume up. Release them as soon as CoolPAD logo pops up on the screen. And as you may notice, the Android system recovery mode pops up in front of you. So here you can read some important information about your device, about your software, and if you would like to use this mode, you can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can apply update from the ADB. You may wipe data factory reset, so accomplish the hard reset operation. You can also wipe cache partition. You may reboot to bootloader, so enter the download mode right here. You can power down the device. You can view recovery logs or apply updates from the SD card. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose either reboot system now or power down. In my case, let me select the reboot system now. So let me highlight the first option and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds until the operation will be done and until the home screen pops up in front of you. Excellent, as you can see now the device is in a normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.